Pause it. Stop this now. Pause it. Okay na? Okay. Now this particular slider is correctly fitted right now. You have to just first take this thing out. Then you can notice this groove. This particular groove is in 7 shape. You can clearly see 7 shape, and the groove is deeper. But when it comes from factory fitted, I'll show you that too. Pause it. So basically this part was fitted, this part was fitted this way. Now here you won't see any 7 groove. It's a flat thing. So this is how the factory fitted came. But when I noticed the other side, the sliding was going in a cross way, not straight up to the 90 degrees. So when I took this out and I looked here inside, I could see a groove here. I could see a groove here too. So this one was, when it was fitted this way, this 7 was obstructing the slide to go smoothly. This is a groove which is coming out. You can clearly see, you know, this one is a 7 type shape. This should be towards the sensor. This is the right way. 7 should be towards the sensor, not to the wall. Here what they did was they just fitted it to the wall this way. This is wrong. This one is wrong. I repeat, this one is wrong. If your sensor came with factory fitted this way, you have to just take it out, reverse it, place it back, take the sensors, and everything happens here. This is the thing, this is the sensor, and everything happens here because the stalling issues occur due to this sensor going faulty because of the slider. The amount of push it should be giving, it gives more of a push, and that's the reason the vehicle stalls. So you have to just see that the shape is 7 on the front side towards us, and then you have to just, the steel one, here these are the 2 holes, it sits in them. You have to zip tie here. If you don't have a zip tie, then just use some thread. And see that you are zip tying it completely. Once that is done, place the cap back. You are ready to go. Just fit it back and see to it that you don't tighten the screws very tight, because these holders break easily when you over tight those screws. So you have to leave it at the end, let it be have some kind of a play. Just show you how. Four, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. That's all. Don't over tighten it. Just keep an eye on the screw where it ends. Don't over push and over tighten the screw. And let me tell you, I even went with a sensor change from the company, but even the second sensor had the same manufacturing fault. So I had to once again remove and redo this.